Great people, let's have a look how to add USDC BEP20 for Fortune Protocol. Right, so many members, or actually all members in Crypto Fortune has used USDT BEP20 and the BEP20 BNB. That is the coins that you need for that you needed for Crypto Fortune, but Fortune Protocol is not using USDT, it's using USDC on the BEP20 network, Binance Smart Chain network. Right, let's see how to add it. You will just go to your existing wallet and you're going to press on Manage Coins. Right at the top in the search bar, you will enter USDC. Now, take note there is lots of different USDCs on different networks. You will find all of them here. Make sure that you add the yellow one that you want to look at. It says USDC BEP20. It will have the same, exactly the same address as the USDT. Right, because it's on the same network. Right, you're going to press on the plus and it says added. You're going to go back top left. Now you will see it's added there at the bottom. Right, go back one more and you will find them here. Let us just look at USDC receiver. The USDT receiver address ends with E0B85, and then the USDC also exactly the same address, BE0B85. So what that means is that you can even just enter your USDT address and it will still come to the USDC. You will just need to add the coin because it's the same, exactly the same address, and it's on the same network as BEP20. That's very important. All right, thank you. If you will still need to have BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. In other words, BEP20. This is the one that you need for the transaction fees. You must always add them. You will just need. It takes about 10 US dollar cents for a transaction, roughly. So $1.50 will even be enough to do transactions on this Fortune protocol. On the transactions, if you claim or if you send in Fortune protocol. All right, kindly reach out to the person that invited you if you have any more questions or uncertainties. Thank you very much.